Mahanga Assembly Constituency. Mahanga Assembly Constituency number is 95, is a Vidhan Sabha constituency of Cuttack district, Odisha. This constituency includes Mahanga block and Nishchintakovili block of 26 Gram Panchayats. Current MLA is Shri Pratap Jena. Political career: 5 times MLA, 2-time winner from Nagar constituency in 2000 and 2004 and 3 times winner from Mahanga constituency in 2009, 2014 and 2019. Pratap Jena is an Indian politician and a cabinet minister in the 16th Odisha Legislative Assembly with Panchayati Raj and drinking water, law, housing and urban development portfolios. He is elected as the member of Legislative Assembly for the 5th consecutive time from Mahanga constituency of Kendrapura, Lok Sabha constituency. He is also the General Secretary of the Farmers Wing of Biju Janata Dal, Biju Krushak Janata Dal. Earlier, he had served as the Minister of School and Mass Education during his third term, 2009 to 2012, and as the Minister of Health and Family Welfare, Law and Information and Public Relations in his fourth term, 2017 to 2019, in the Assembly. Recently he was conferred with the Fame India Best Minister Award at the Vigyan Bhavan in New Delhi. P. Jena was born on the 3rd of June 1966 in Cuttack district to Shri Ushasan Jena and S.M.D. Saraswati Jena. He studied at Secondary Board High School, Cuttack. Later he did his BSc and MSc, Mathematics, from Ravenshaw University, followed by LLB from Madhusudan Law College, Cuttack, and PGDM from Cuttack. List of MLA of Mahanga constituency term-wise: 2019 Pratap Jena, BJD; 2014 Pratap Jena, BJD; 2009 Pratap Jena, BJD; 2004 Bikram Kesari Burma, BJD; 2000 Sharat Kumaka, BJD; 1995 Sheikh Matluli, Congress; 1990 Sharat Kumaka, Janata Dal; 1985 Sheikh Matluli, Congress; 1980 Sheikh Matluli, Congress; 1977 Pradeep Kishore Das, Janata Party; 1974 Sheikh Matluli, Congress; 1971 Sharat Kumaka, Utkal Congress; 1967 Biraj Prasad Roy, PSP; 1961 Surendranath Patnaik, Congress; 1955 Bipol Pradeep Kishore Das, PSP; 1951 Muhammad Taha, Congress. Thank you very much for watching.
Hello friends, welcome to my channel A Knowledge Hub. Please subscribe my channel for more videos with